Jia Intelligent Park in southwest China's Chongqing municipality. As one of the parts of Smart China Export, it's an important window to show the latest intelligent products in China. What will the intelligent life look like in the future? Today, I invited a friend to decrypt with me.
Hi, Jia. I'm James from Chongqing. We're in the Intelligent Life Hall of Jia Intelligent Park, and we're going to find out how to use all of these high-tech gadgets. I can see that everything starts working as soon as I need to use them. Now I've freshened up in the smart bathroom, a guide is going to come and show us what more there is to see here.
小爱同学，衣服洗好了。小爱同学，关闭阳台所有灯。
Hi, Jia.
Have you had lunch? I'm hungry.
Not yet, but we're in the smart kitchen, so there must be lots of surprises for us here.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, let's go cooking. What do you think of today's experience?
I'm very impressed with what I've seen. My biggest feeling is that when I was growing up in the 80s and 90s, I used to see a lot of scenes like this in Hollywood movies, and I never really thought that one day it would become a reality. So my visit here today has really made me look forward to the future ever more.
Okay, let's look forward to the intelligent life becoming our daily life as soon as possible.